trying to drink all the yucky water. Oh, what's that, buddy? This is the greatest. Look at this huge water table.
I like it. I wish we had one.
I know. Look at this. Pretty awesome. Back around. We're at the Tampa Children's Museum. Wish we had one like this. Yeah, it's the Thatcher Wiggle. That's the Thatcher Wiggle. Thatcher, I think, is trying to take a drink. Oh, you found a way you can get some water? Yucky, buddy. Look at that one. He's learned to drink out of water fountains lately. Good job.